Hi, welcome to Last Week in Local for the week ending May 7th. This week we have Carrie Hill and Mary Bowling and myself. At Local U, David Hunter of ASAPmaps published a guest article, and included in the guest article is a very sophisticated flow chart of all the ifs, ands, or buts that you need to be aware of in terms of managing onboarding and verification of businesses into the GMB, in terms of the various states, problems, and issues you might run into. And it's designed to print at large size so you can mount it on your wall and have all your employees reference it in terms of their onboarding.
And I hope that Google takes a look at this and sees how flippin' involved it is in order to get people into what they think is this easy self-serve product.